Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fried Chinese cabbage with dry shrimp. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 700 grams of Chinese cabbage, which will be half of this, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp, washed and chopped into small pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the See More link. Start with cutting the Chinese cabbage. Cut the bottom and remove the leaves one by one. Once the leaf cannot be removed, make a deep cut at the bottom part to free the leaves from the Chinese cabbage head. Repeat until we have the sufficient amount. These are the Chinese cabbage stems to be cut, and for the rest can be kept for the next meal. Put 2 to 3 stems together. Cut off the leaves like this to separate the leaves and the hard stems. Put the hard stem aside. Repeat until the leaves and the stem have been separated. Cut all the leaves together into 2 inches squares. Set them aside. For the hard stems, cut it into thin strips from the bottom up. Once done, give them a wash and set aside. Next, add 2 tablespoons of water into the tapioca flour and mix until dissolved. Put it aside. Heat the pan. Add in the cooking oil and garlic. Cook the garlic for 1.5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Remove the garlic from the pan. Put it aside. In the same pan with hot oil, add in the chopped dry shrimp. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add in all the Chinese cabbage stems. Give it a stir. While the hot oil is softening the stem, continue to stir frying for about 30 seconds. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil. Continuously mix until the vegetables are softened and well combined with seasoning. After about 1.5 minutes, the stems has been softened and are about 60% cooked. There is a bit of gravy present in the pan. Add in all the leaves. Stir for about 1.5 minutes or until the Chinese cabbage leaves are soft. Then add in the balance of sesame oil, oyster sauce, half of the crispy fried garlic, and the fried dry shrimp. Give it a couple of stirs. Let's give it a taste. Yes, very sweet, tasty and flavorful. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already perfect and sweet. Add in the tapioca flour mixture to thicken the gravy. It can be skipped if preferred as well. Give it a quick stir. Switch off the heat and we are done. This is best served immediately once it is cooked. Let's dish out and serve. Top with crispy fried garlic and dry shrimp. Wow, this looks so delicious. Alright, it is ready. Very simple and very delicious stir-fried Chinese cabbage with dry shrimp. Let's eat. Very delicious and flavorful. The vegetables are very sweet and crunchy. It goes so well with the fried dry shrimp and crispy garlic. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.